Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a full face of Kosas products. Many of you guys know I just got some of these Kosas products in, and a lot of you wanted to see a full face first impressions. This video was not sponsored by Kosas, although I wish it was. I'm not gonna lie. When I say full face, it's mainly Kosas products. I do have other products I am using just because I didn't pick up the whole line of Kosas. That would be crazy, but I did get, you know, like the tinted face oils, their concealer, their lip oils, all that good stuff. A lot of these products are just very user friendly, and I don't know, you guys will see what I think. So if you want to see how I got this look and more of these Kosas products, then just keep on watching. All right. So let's do this. Just a disclaimer, all my neighbors are basically families and they have lots of children. So the sun is out, so a lot of kids are outside playing. So if you hear that, just ignore it. Letting them enjoy their time outside. I want to finish this video so I can go lay out and finish my book. I've been super into reading. I've read 3 books so far this quarantine, and I'm bookworm right now because what else is there to do? And I used the jet lag mask today to prep my skin, so it's like pretty good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dewy primer. This is the Dewy Skin Primer by CoverFX. It's one of the best dewy primers I've ever used. Do I need to put my hair back? Probably. So the next products we're going to go in with are the Tinted Face Oils. I've actually used these, well, on photo shoots. A lot of makeup artists love using this. I will probably 9 times out of 10 use this on my skin, and I always love the way it looks because it's super natural and it's an oil-based formula, so it's going to be really hydrating the skin and really give you that like glowy, no makeup look. So I have the shades 06 and 07. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to mix these. Biceps, work out. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be my color. Okay, so it's a very liquidy, runny consistency, but I don't think you're gonna need to use a lot of it. So I just took mainly 06. It's very liquidy, oh my lord. Oh geez. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the skin. Oh my god, this feels so good. It just feels like you're putting face oil on. By the way, if you also hear like my sister in the kitchen, it is what it is, okay? Like during this quarantine life, everyone's home. There's not really anywhere we can go to run away. By the way, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Complexion brush. It is a really small kabuki brush, but you'd be surprised at how blendable and great this thing blends into the skin. Oh my god, it's so nice. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. As you can see, it's very, very sheer lightweight. However, it does have really good pigmentation. I'm also gonna take my wet sponge and I'm gonna push this in. So this will like pick up any excess. But overall, like I really love this consistency. Products like this are my favorite, anything super lightweight. As I'm watching this product set, it's actually not as dewy as I thought it was when you first apply it, and especially because you think of an oil, you think it's going to be super dewy and like runny, and it might actually scare some people. But I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's starting to dry, kind of more of like a satiny finish. It's not completely matte. We are using the Kosas concealer. I don't know what it's called. You know what? I have it right here. This is the Kosas Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. So I did get mine in the shade 06. It is very light, but we'll see if we can make it work. Oh yeah, we can make this work, I think. Oh yeah. All right, is this better? I feel like this is so much better. So I thought that was gonna work, but now that the sun's starting to go down, that setup was just, it's not working for me anymore. We're gonna go back with the concealer. Just gonna apply some on the nose, forehead, down the nose. I love the applicator too. It's very sturdy and like it's flat. I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. This is my favorite blending brush for concealer. Oh my god, this lighting is so much better. What was I doing? Thinking the other way was gonna work. Oh, I love the finish of this. It looks so natural. And it's like sheer. It's not like super pigmented where it's gonna take me like a million years to buff out. It's very like, melts right into the skin. So for bronzing up the skin, I don't have any bronzers from Kosas, so I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Tantour. I'm gonna stick with like the cream consistencies just because I have a cream blush and highlight that we're gonna use and whatnot. So this one is in Light, one of my favorites. You guys know I use this all the time in my videos. We are going to go in with a little bit of blush. This is the Kosas Color and Light, and it's the Tropical Equinox color. Comes with a highlight and a nice little cream blush. So I'm excited to try this because y'all know I love a cream blush. And I'm going to see how it applies with my fingers. It's very light. Ooh. This is a very light blush on me. If you build it, it actually gets to be like a really pretty flush. I don't know if you guys are seeing this and the camera's picking it up, but it's like a very like peach sheer infusion. I don't know, it just looks really nice. I actually don't mind it. I thought, I was like, hello, I can't see anything, but I actually kind of like it. I'm gonna take that cream blush that I was just using and also apply it to my nose for a little bit of color. You guys know I like to go a little heavier, but for now we're just gonna keep this as is. My nostrils. I'm gonna take the highlight side and I'm just going to press this into my high points of my cheekbones. Oh yes. Like getting that high brow bone snatch-a-doo. Okay, this is just like getting really weird. I keep seeing like movement. I'm not gonna like point in that direction. I keep seeing movement coming from a window across from me. Every time I look up, they're hiding. Like I see them moving like this from the window. I don't know if I should be afraid. I love a good glow right here. And then we're gonna take it down the nose. As per usual. Oh my god, wow, that nose just like snatched real quick. This product is unreal. It's like has like an oil-based consistency, so it just melts into the skin. The 10-second eyeshadow, and mine is in Copper Halo. I loved this color, so I was like, I need it. I have to give it a really good shake. It's just this beautiful bronzy shade that I think is gonna look so good sheared out on the lids, so wish me luck. Do I use my finger? And I know. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love this. It blends so easily too. This is my favorite thing so far. Is this shadow. It was so easy to blend out and it's like gorge. I'm gonna put like a little bit right here. We're gonna do a little bit of a wing liner situation as per usual. I use the Persona palette, the Identity palette, and I just wing out my eyeliner with a couple of like the gray and brown shades. So I tried not to go too crazy with the wing liner. I wanted to keep it really simple. We just wanted to kind of elongate the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do some mascara. I don't have any Kosas mascaras. I don't even know if they make mascara, but I didn't get any of that. So I'm gonna go ahead, curl my lashes, and I'll be right back. So for mascara, as you guys can see, this combo just makes your eyelashes look insane. I feel like it's mainly the Monsieur Big Lancome mascara that makes my eyes just like my lashes just look so full and like wispy and fluttery. The Buxom one, I do like it, but the consistency, like just so much gets on the wand that it gets really clumpy and messy, and it's a very wet consistency. So I have to like always scrape off a lot. So I don't necessarily recommend this product unless you like really clumpy, wet consistencies. But overall, this is definitely the one that like makes everything look so good. And I swear to you, when it starts to like dry out, it gets even better because it really gets in there and just separates your lashes, which I really need is always like the separation. I like the definition more so than like the fullness, you know what I mean? Okay, now we're gonna do some lip. This is the lip oil in Dip, very pretty. And then this one is Undone. This is their lipstick, which is also gorge. I'm going to line my lips. I'm gonna use Spice from MAC. So I decided I'm just gonna go in with the lip oil, and I like the color. I feel like it kind of matches with the lip liner. It's so light on my lips. It's definitely very pigmented, but I do love the color. Really beautiful. It's really similar to the lip liner I just used, but I just think it's a really good pairing. I am going to add a little bit of blush just because this is not enough for me. I'm going to use the Butter London, what are these called? Plush Rush blushes, and it's in the shade Obsessed. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of powder. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder, and I'm just going to take a little bit and get right underneath my eyes. I use a little bit of the Dewy Finishing Setting Spray. So this is the finished look all together. I'm actually really happy about this. My skin just looks so dewy and natural. As you guys can see, like I didn't use any powder highlights or anything like that. I just used all cream products for the most part, except for setting underneath my eyes and just in areas that I do get oily. But overall, you guys, this is so nice. I feel my skin looks so beautiful. I'm just like ready to get a photo shoot. As you can see, that highlight was insane. Like it looks kind of like a natural sweat happening. Like I don't want to say I look sweaty because no one wants to look sweaty, but I look like I have very nice like flush with like a little bit of a spritz of sweat. I don't know. My nose, this highlight, if you guys want a highlight that's just gonna like snatch that nose and pull it forward, this is no joke. This highlighter is, I would say my two favorite products out of this entire thing was for sure the 10-second eyeshadow and the Tropic Equinox color and light cream. I just think these were really beautiful and just really easy to use. They have tons of different eyeshadow colors for this, and they have other colors for this one as well, so I'm definitely gonna pick up more. Overall, just a very easy, no makeup, very fresh face. If you're someone who's a little younger, maybe still in school or in high school, this is a really great brand to start with because it's very user-friendly. I'm gonna try to get a shot of me in like sunlight so you guys can see what it really looks like. Even though this is natural lighting, I'm gonna get into the direct sunlight so you can really see what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Kosas makeup tutorial. I enjoyed sharing it with you guys. If you want to see more of these like first impression videos, let me know. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Subscribe to my channel. All the links and everything will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.